Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can beautify your landscape videos using the CapCut filters. So here I've already add a video, a scenery video that I want to edit. So just go to filters and in here find the scenery category and you'll find lots of beautiful filters that you can add to your landscape videos. Let's try like this green lake, or for example this leaf gaze. So just select the one that you think fits your needs or your video the best. Okay, I think I'm going to use this. Okay, golden autumn. Don't forget to adjust the intensity, and after that just click on the check icon when you are done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.